channel Zippy Zaheen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this super easy scarf. Now I want to tell you that if you want to make your scarves, you can chain your width of your scarf should be at least 5 to 8 inches in width and 40 to 70 inches in length. But without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Let's talk about materials. I'm going to be using this multicolored yarn, but you can use any type of yarn you want. Next up, I'm going to be using a 5mm crochet hook and a darning needle. Lastly, a pair of scissors. So to start crocheting, first make a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, take the strand of yarn and create an X. After that, take the long strand of yarn and put it between your two fingers and over the loop that you have just made. Take your crochet hook, grab the tail of yarn, and then pull on a knot. And pull on the long strand to adjust. Now to chain you're going to yarn over, pull through, chain karibar karone moi ultuk pesaisu, ulai ahisu, ultuk pesaisu, ulai ahisu. And like that, I made 31 chains. Now once you've made 31 chains, so this is the one extra chain, that 31 chain, you're going to yarn over and skip the first stitch, insert into the second chain, yarn over, comma, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now this is a double crochet. Double crochet karbo mane moi ultuk pesaisu, humaisu, ultuk pesai loi kene ulai ahisu, aru ultuk pesai kene duta loops ere ulai ahisu. And continue this all the way across. Now once you enter into a new row, first start by chaining 2, and then now you're going to double crochet into the last double crochet that you have made, and you're going to be continuing this all the way across. So make double crochets all over, just normal double crochets, nothing new or nothing special. You can have a lot of double crochet tutorials if you like. Now this is how it looks in pencil grip way. I can do both of them, and this is how it pretty much looks like. And I'll meet you once you reach into the color changing part. So once you reach in the color changing part, you don't have to cut your yarn or anything. You just have to simply double crochet. Like if you're using a multicolored yarn like me and you're confused, so just do that. Just don't cut your yarn. Now do it all the way across. Now in third row, again I'm going to show you one last time. Chain 2, and those chain 2 make it tightly, and then just make normal double crochets all the way across. Yate moi ki korisu, every single row moi duta chain bonaisu, tar pisat gotte khini row double crochet kori kene koisu, aru moi itu double crochet 120 rows er karone korisu. So I did the scarf for 120 double crochet rows, and at the end you're going to, instead of chaining 2, you're going to only chain 1, then cut your yarn like so. After that, take out the piece and then pull on it to make it knot, and like that your scarf is ready. Now to weave in your end, just insert the little piece of yarn into the darning needle like so, and then insert into a few stitches like so. After that, skip a stitch or a loop. It's not visible over here, but you can figure it out, and then come back again. And I am scared that it will come off, so I just make a little knot like this by going into the last stitch that I went, making a little hole, and then into that hole I'm just inserting my darning needle and making a knot over there and cutting the extra yarn. Now like this, your scarf is going to be ready. And I really love this scarf. It's so comfy, so warm. And it's also, the colors are also pretty good. I like it. I hope hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!